Hi, I'm Paulo Sarimbor. Welcome to my video on psychological development stage 5, that is identity versus role confusion. This development takes place during age 12 to 19, adolescence. At 18, you all know that a person become having all legal rights. Thousands have watched my videos, liked, and to get notification of my videos they have subscribed. Have you noticed these subscribers increasing? Have you subscribed? If not, please subscribe. As explained in my video on identity and versus relationship released on Parents Day, that is on 26 July, let's introspect who I am, my past, my present, and my future. Your past includes great grandparents, grandparents. Present includes parents, uncles, aunties, cousins. Future includes grandsons and great grandsons. My friend at the age of 75 made a project of locating, connecting 3 living generations of their family. He did it manually. He found 1,800 nuclear families with total 6,800 people in several countries, states, districts. He made family trees and directory of entire family, country-wise, state-wise, district-wise. He invited a get-together of all the people. Most of the people have joined and they for the first time came to know about their blood relation. Do you know why these families got disintegrated, break into small parts, lose strength? The answer is the personality is contaminated. They all became dysfunctional. You know, majority of the people have become financially weak and they are suffering and they look for help from government, NGOs. Do you think if you are financially well off, having a high standard of living, but you are 80% of the people living in a pathetic way, do you appreciate this? If you don't like this, please connect to your all family members, get back all of them. You know, in our country there are 140 crores. If they are sorted out according to families like 6,000 to 7,000 people, there will be only 20 lakh families. If these families are organized, they are independent and they are financially support each other, there will be no need of government or NGOs financing poor people for housing, education, etc. In my videos of psychological development, I explain all that. Let's see what development take place during the age 12 to 19. Basic thinking abilities generally occur during this period. There are 5 areas. Number 1 is attention, second is memory, third is processing speed, fourth is organization, fifth is metacognition. During this age, adolescents explore their independence and develop sense of self. You know, this is the age very difficult to control the teenagers. So people say, my son, my daughter doesn't listen to me, they don't obey me. Well friends, this is an age you have to give them some independence with little bit of discipline and control. You please note that excess control of parents can make this stage of development fail. There will be confusion of their roles. As explained in my videos of stage 4, please ensure food that is taken. If they have 10 hours of study, they require 700 calories of food. Make sure they take 600 calories every 1 hour. Guide them to do exercise and do pranayam to secrete hormones in their body. So vitamins, minerals and hormones are required to develop their body, which will support the psychological development. Well friends, in organization healthy identity is very important. One's organization of individual drive, skills, abilities, beliefs, and experience into a consistent image of self. Otherwise, people working in the organization corporate have a role confusion, and they not only they try to be independent, and they try to destroy the entire organizational setup. So this is very important. In the families, it's very important that everyone connects to their families. Parents teach them to relate and establish contacts with them. Otherwise, a day will come, they will also be left out. Friends, as I mentioned to you, this is my 5th stage. There are 3 more stages are to be explained. The 6th stage, that is during 19 to 40, this is the period when people develop intimacy or isolation. If this successful, then you have intimate relationship. Intimate relationship is very essential for the success of a person. 7th one is during 40 to 65 years age. That is generativity versus stagnation. This is establishing and guiding your next generation, accepting the friends of your next generation. And 8th is 65 years and above, integrity and despair. As I did, develop some skills at the age of 55 onwards. Get ready for second innings, so that after retirement you are able to have your own passion and make it as a profession, and get connected to people and be happy instead of being stagnated. Well friends, to explain people all this and to give emotional intelligence and to help them to develop their personality, I am starting my next online session on 26th to 29th, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. This is a online session on TA concepts. Please do join so that people can migrate from dysfunctional to functional. Well friends, here I conclude. I hope you have liked my video. Please subscribe, like, share to friends to whom it may be beneficial, so that we grow together. Thank you.